Hello folks, good evening. Welcome to another video. Woohoo! Today is a great day. Just very cloudy and a little bit sunny at the same time. It's really a summer today. So anyway, I got good news and good news for you guys. Look what I found. Hey, Wendy's back. So anyway, I just picked Wendy and yeah, I just wanna tour around a little bit to see it's gonna work. This is combination about Wendy first, Wendy 2.1 and Wendy 2.0. It's right here. Look, the crankcase. Let's see if it works. I think it works. I ride it from house up to here. I think it's gonna work. So come on and join me. Let's go for a spin around here in Puerto del Carmen. So as you can see, we're here in this spot. A beautiful place of Puerto del Carmen. The sun just come out right now, and it's very, very nice around. So anyway, we're just gonna ride all the way to Fariones, whatever Wendy comes. Good to have Wendy today. Woohoo! Actually, I'm gonna go in the, what do they call this? Hardware store to buy some stuff. You know, the other day I went there and I'm missing some stuff as well, so I need to go there to buy someone. Yeah, it's great. It's good to be Wendy's back. Much easier, much cheaper, and no taxi allowed. Woo, happy days. Just one quick update of Puerto del Carmen. I didn't do walk at the moment because I'm a little bit busy in the house, and of course with the family I need to do something. But as you can see right now, Puerto del Carmen, time check 6 p.m. bright and sunny. So this is a very classic Vince page. Walking around, well sorry, biking around with Wendy, this time in Puerto del Carmen. Well, kids will be kids. Yeah? Gracias.
Hello, hi.
Kids nowadays, yeah? They're awesome. Look how busy it is. There's a lot of scooters nowadays, yeah? Kids right there. Wow, best time. Palm Bay. How's Palm Bay today? I think it's a bit busy, yeah? Woo, happy days. So we're approaching Central Atlantico today. Yeah, well, I didn't do much this couple of days after we finished our holiday in Madrid. Just fixing some things. Take advantage of all the time I have to fix a little bit of the house. Because the house is getting older. That's why I need some things. And look at this panorama. It's really cool. Wow, nothing compares to this beautiful, awesome place, yeah? It's a little bit dark, because it's against the light. But the sun is coming out. I think it's kinda epic. Nice. There still have people outside, because the sun is still up in the sky. Not sunset yet. It's Rocos Blanca. I used to work. Woo, happy days. Really. It's good to have a little bit of my week holiday in Madrid. It's good to see some change. Look at this. This is all the silhouette of the people. Wow, great stuff. Not kinda tired of this part of the Carmen, seeing this spot, yeah? Wow. Awesome. Look, Centro Atlantico is still a bit quiet at the time. Maybe later it's gonna be busy because of all the music and disco going on out there. It's quite impressive, you know, because in the daytime it's a little bit quiet, and now the sun is going down. Happier things will start now. American Indian. This is the silhouette, folks. I can see so much. It's all dark because the sun is in the other side. I guarantee it's the best sunset you ever had if you're here. So like I said, this is a very quick update of Puerto Carmen this time. Time check, 6 p.m. Wow, happy days. Oh, my friend is right there, the one who kicked me out in Playa Mar. Enjoy. Wow, it's really great to have Wendy again. It's much easier now. Everything is just working well for me, I think. Fix Wendy. The beach is working. Wow, what a cool day, huh? I think in the midday it's just like so hot out here. But today the sun is setting down. I think the warm, the cool weather is coming in. You know, that's the good thing about having a very hot day, and then suddenly when the sun going down, it's just refreshing in the late afternoon. It's very nice. Look, Road 66. Best spot, best skills. Try to slow it down a little bit. Wow, good to see Puerto Rican. But it's, hey, how are you? You alright? You okay? Enjoying yourself? I'll be back in Friday. Friday, see you on Friday. That's my Holland friends. They here again. Oh, that's nice. Good to see that. Wow. Look at these beautiful bars. People are sitting down. It's good to be back. Don't get me wrong, we enjoy. We enjoy Madrid, but nothing compares Puerto de Carmen, Lanzarote. Really nice. There's two drunk people just in the middle of the road, so that's very bad. They have too much drink. That's why. Look, you can rent those boat and enjoy the best of it. You know, with the slide and pedals that you can go way far if you want to. But you know, just in the border, you cannot go much further with that. Good to see they're recollecting all the trash this afternoon. Good to see that because it's already full. You see, there's a lot of tourists right now throwing bigger and bigger garbage bag in a small bin. But it's fine, you know, because that's how it's supposed to be. It's a bin. They're supposed to throw some garbage in it. I find it really cool. Look at this place. Just enjoying myself biking along the way. Look at that, blue marlin. Hey. So, enjoying our tour. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, folks. Thank you to all your good comments and enjoying our videos. Near the Fariones. I know it's gonna happen, this one. When we make it to the very end, I know for sure it's gonna happen. You know what's gonna happen? I know for sure you know it. Pedaling Wendy now is heavy. Don't have any much training now, not like before. I use Wendy every single day, and now I just fixed it, so I think we're gonna use it every day. Oh man. Look, it took me 10 minutes from puerto carmen up to here, which is nice. I got so much time because of Wendy, of course. So yeah, folks, this is what's happening. I'm gonna push Wendy now up to the hill. I can't manage to pedal anymore. I'm tired. Look, I think it's 45 degrees. 45 degrees, yes. Incline, 45-degree incline. Just to get for point A, point B. Let's get to the other side. Yeah. Actually, I crossed in the... Oh. There you go. Sorry for the deep breathing. Just catching my breath. And I go to cycling anymore. Maybe if I do some practice, 2 to 3 months of keep on cycling, I'll be back in shape. But for now, just gonna push Wendy to go up. Here we go. I'm pushing Wendy to the limit of my heartbeat. So anyway, we're discovering this shortcut. I'm just gonna walk this one. Here we go. I think we're gonna end up in a good way. Look, I remember this spot when I was like, I think, hello, 2 months ago when I discovered this place. Sorry. Hi. Hi guys, enjoy your holiday. Some people just passing by. I'm sweating right now. Nice. Look at the weather today. Luckily we have a blue skies. Very interesting one, yeah. Because if you're in the shade, it's a little bit cooler. It's true. But when you're in like open air and no shade at all, the sun is towards you. Oh man, it's hot. Definitely hot. I know most of you recognize this place. So here you go. One look. So fine. We are now riding Wendy again. But still uphill here, so it's very hard. That's fine. Ocean Lanzarote is here. Woo! Very nice, eh? Nice, cool place. So if you go straight in, you will end up in Lomo Blanco and Panorama. If you go this way, you will end up in a gasoline station and the spa. And here there's a hotel called Ocean Lanzarote. Whee! Wow, very nice. I think I'm not gonna make it in that car, mini carjack hill right there. Look, there. My feet is getting heavier now. It's been a while since I have some exercise with Wendy. That's why it's very, I find it very different. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and coming with me today. This is a very quick update, folks. I'm just trying to fix some things, and we will be back in the regular vlogs this coming past few days. So thank you for watching, folks. Enjoy the rest of the night and see you in the next one. Look, we end up here. You see? It's right there. Buspera Shopping Center. And here is the Lido. So yeah. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next one. It's hard. It's hard having Wendy again. But I made it here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Babush.